I got invited to Google I/O,
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Google's biggest tech conference of the year. With so many new tools launching, I just had one question. What's the next big thing in tech? Pick up the block that's the color of grass. This robot understood natural language, for example, the color of grass, recognized spatial context, the location of the block, and executed an action, picking up the block. Here's another example.
All right, I will pick up the cloth and put it in the cup. I am getting started.
Love how they help each other.
Yeah.
Yes, good job.
All right.
So while editing, I realized I got a VO2 demo and not VO3, but the good news is I have access to VO3 for a month, so here's a prompt I gave VO3, and next are the results.
I wish we had some hot sauce.
Man, that's what I miss about Earth.
LOL, not your man. Okay, but she's not wrong.
VO3 is the first AI I've used that doesn't just create video, it adds sound too. I've seen a lot of mixed reactions to VO3, so let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Okay, so for the Android XR glasses prototype demo, they didn't allow us to record the demo, but I did get a little photo, yes. But basically the demo took place in like a simulated home, and the idea was to walk around while using the AI glasses to get real-time info about your surroundings. So at one point I looked at a painting and I asked Gemini a bunch of questions. I was like, who's the artist? Where was this painted? And it knew. It identified the painting and answered everything in real time.
You have a few sentences that you include here to try and turn this into a working prototype. All you have to do is put this right into Gemini, click the canvas button, and then click submit. And what it's doing now is this is the image we uploaded. It's pretty bare bones, basic, just a few sentences, but it's actually going through the logic of exactly what kind of outfit piece you're trying to create. And you can see it's modeling what I put in my prompt very closely. It's going to help me create an AI character. And so right now it's generating the code for this, and so you can easily export this code into other applications. And then what it'll also do is generate a working preview that allows us to actually play with the prototype right here in Canvas itself. Classic 2 and see what it does. So now we click generate, and it's actually going to generate a fun cartoon character. And something that's also really cool is if you
That's cute, yeah.
So it's also really cool if you can click this button. It's the add magic button. And what it'll do is actually integrate into your game. We probably won't have time for it to load, but actually integrate into your game additional AI capabilities. Let's say you might want to AI generate a name within the tool. It'll actually add a little button there that then you can click to like generate a name for your character. So everything is very easy to do.
What I've done here is this.
There are so many more things that Google announced, so if you want a part 2, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.